If you're watching this video, it's probably because you want to know if the arch of Cabo San Lucas is really worth it. And we wanted to know too.
So last year, I came up with the brilliant idea to go see for myself and fly the drone around the famous arch to get a different perspective.
The only problem is he tried to land the drone on the front of a moving boat. And well, you can probably figure out the rest of the story. Ah! It's in the water.
Since that tragic boat ride, I haven't been the same since. I cry myself to sleep every night, and in my sleep, I hear my wife saying,
"I told you so, Alex."
Anyway, I just planned another trip to Cabo to redeem myself once and for all, and this time, I'm getting the perfect shot and hopefully not crashing the drone again. 1 year later.
We are headed out of the hotel. We're making our way down to the marina. I'm already having some flashbacks of last time, trying to just stay calm, stay positive. It's gonna be great. We're gonna get some great shots for sure, I hope.
Megan likes to play things safe. I like to push the boundaries a little bit. Last time, I crashed the drone. It was a horrible ending to our trip. It left a really bitter taste in our mouths, but I'm determined this time. I'm going back to the arch, and I'm gonna get the shot.
Now that we're actually at the marina and checking out a boat and about to leave for the arch, I'm getting so nervous. You have to understand, last time was like traumatizing. Ah! It's in the water. We're having the best day ever, the best time out on the water, and then we lost over $1,000 in literally 1 second. We're gonna see if they'll pull up on the beach and allow us to fly the drone from there rather than off of the water taxi. Oh God.
Welcome to Cabo. It's the first time I'm gonna drive the boat. Don't worry, be happy.
There's no going back now.
I have to be honest, I'm having some slightly negative flashbacks. I'm putting full confidence in Alex. Yeah, I'm terrified. I prefer this view of the arch.
Now that we've seen the arch from the water, we're gonna go up on the beach and I'm gonna fly the drone from the beach to get another perspective.
This is it. This is the memorial site, the funeral site of our first drone. All right, this is the make or break moment. Just pray for the best.
I promise this time is gonna be different. This is the moment I've been waiting for, and I'm so glad we came back to Cabo. So if you're thinking about coming to Cabo, I highly recommend you come and check out the arch because it is definitely worth it.
Alex was right. Cabo San Lucas is paradise to us again, not a traumatic memory. Okay, now I can actually relax and have some fun. Glad we completed that mission.
Yeah.
Quick disclaimer, don't try to fly your drone. We take no responsibility for flying drones off of beaches, off of boats. Save your drone and save your sanity. We can't even see exactly where the drone is. I just stubbed my toe. Ow.